Hello, so in my lesson plan, I used the Blockly Games Maze game. That is, all you have to do is look up Blockly Games Maze, and it comes up. And you just click on it, and there it is. So, for the content standards that will be met are 2.AP C01 that says, with guidance, independently and collaboratively, create programs to accomplish tasks using a programming language, robot device, or unplugged activity that includes sequencing and repetition, which will allow students to use the type of device to make their animated figure move to its destination. I will evaluate how the students are repeating their coding to figure out the correct codes and see if they accomplish the task. So, and then 2.CS.D.01 says select and use appropriate computing devices or software to perform a variety of tasks for an intended outcome, which students will use the appropriate computer device to make their animated figure move and complete their task. I will assess if the students understand how to use the software to accomplish their tasks. And then 2.PS1.2 says analyze data obtained from testing different materials to determine which materials have the properties that are best suited for the intended purpose. And then the students will analyze their animated figure to see if they use the correct code to evaluate if the task is complete. And then the STE standards that will be met is 1.4a. Students know and use a deliberate design process for generating ideas, testing theories, creating innovative artifacts, or solving authentic problems, which they will generate ideas, test their theories, and create their coding to complete their task for the maze. I will evaluate if the students' theories and ideas are correct. And then 1.4c says students develop, test, and refine prototypes as part of a cycling design process. Students will develop, test, and refine their coding when trying to make their animated figure move. I will assess their testings and refinings. And then the last one, 1.7b, students use collaborative techniques to work with others, including peers, experts, or community members, to examine issues and problems from multiple viewpoints. Students must get, or sorry. So then the last one, they will work together to get their coding correct by asking their peers questions and helping each other. I will evaluate their questions they're asking each other to see if they're understanding. So now that I've gone over the standards, I will show you how to use this tool. So as I said, you just look up Blockly Games Maze, and it should pop up. And then you see this animated figure, and there's a destination that he needs to go to. And it goes from level 1 to level 10. And then there's codes right here for him to move forward. And you pick which code you think he needs to go to. So if you click move forward, he will move forward once. If you click turn left, he will turn left. If you click turn right, he will turn right. So this already says move forward twice. So then you click run program, and he gets to his destination. And you solved this level with 2 lines of JavaScript. Move forward, move forward. And then you go to level 2 and click OK. And now, this already has the codes because I've already went through the levels. But all you have to do is drag them over here and then connect them. So I dragged move forward is already going to be on there. So then you would drag turn left for him to turn left right here, and then move forward because he needs to move forward right here. And then turn right for him to turn right here, and then move forward so he will get to his destination right there. So you click run program, and he made it to his destination. So then you made a coding for him to get to his destination. And then it asks you to go to level 3. So every time you solve the code, you will be able to get to level 3. If you do not solve the code, you will have to try again until you get it right. So that's how you use this tool to learn how to code.